Live from Television Centre in London, this is Live and Kicking. Leslie Joseph just hanging out here in our studio.
I've got nothing and nowhere to go, so I thought I'd better stay around.
And why not? That's what I say. Stay tuned for Take That, performing their single, which is currently #1, Everything Changes. That's coming soon. Plus, if you think you're good at comedy, well, wait till you see Lenny Henry. He's got 5 top tips that might help you make people laugh. And also a very special Famous for 5 Minutes. Earlier today, we surprised Keith Chegwin. Every day on The Big Breakfast, he works with the lovely Gabby Roslin. Every day on The Big Breakfast, he surprises other people. Today, we surprised him. Wait and see what we're doing, a special edition of Run the Risk as well. But now, it's time for some music from a man with no name. Well, apart from this one, it's Prince.